Multiple pregnancy usually carries a series of increased risks for both the mother and the baby. A summary of these would be possible low birth weight of the babies, an increased fluid retention in the mother. There is an increased risk of preeclampsia and also of premature birth. It could also be that one or more of the babies has a delayed intrauterine birth, or perhaps the mother may suffer from gestational diabetes. It's also possible that there may be some chromosomal alterations, so it may be a good idea to have the genetic studies performed at the correct time, according to the advice of your specialist. In a case of monochorionic pregnancies, where they share a placenta, it may be that a syndrome called feto-fetal syndrome occurs, and this is where one of the babies is actually getting more blood than the other one. There is a solution for this.